kicking him out. Hey.
No. He's like, Mommy.
Good boy. He's a good baby, right? Good baby.
He's just a little bit Larry. Look at the look on his face. Like
He's getting curls.
They look like
just
twins with the curls.
I know. Her little haircut is so cute. Like, it's just enough without changing her look. I don't. First little boy haircut.
Uh-oh, I think Jake's gonna go play with it.
It's like, no, there's
Are you gonna let him play with the remote? Wow.
She's gonna give it to him.
No.
towards.
Uh-oh, where's Jake going? Oh, what's Jake doing?
Encourage it. Come on, Jake.
Well, he's going towards an outlet. I was talking more about Ryan.
So sleepy.
Don't put two fingers in, just one at a time.
Make sure you lick them both.
My goodness, you get a mouthful of teeth. Whoa, bless you.
Oh, Giada.
Teeth for a long time.
Uh-oh.
No, he's gonna fall out.
I got her teeth so early. It just seems like she's always there.
He wanted to go in there, so he falls out. He wanted to go in there.
Whoa.
Yeah, gymnastics.
Smells
Jake.
like it.
Next comes the finger test.
No, I'm not gonna risk that.
She keeps doing it. I'm like, why? Just look down there. You don't
I
need to
did,
stick
I
your
didn't see
finger
you.
in there. You don't need to stick your finger in there.
Ooh.
She poopy?
She's something. Something stinky.
All right. Hey,
No,
this is your
not
chance to get
No.
point number 2, and then you win.
No, I'm not.
If you get a second point, you win.
You're not going to get me to do the diaper game.
Uh-oh. Good choice, Luke. Can someone throw me my purse up here?